Yeah. That's the iPhone. That's Rachel.
We're going to pass in front of the Louvre. We're going to pass in front of the Louvre. We're going to pass in front of the Musée d'Orsay, Museum of Orsay. It used to be a train station. It has a new truck in front of it. And most of the exhibition over there. And we're going to go to the next gate because we don't want to go on this side. We want to go on the next side. À chaque fois que je viens à Paris, je m'appelle non. C'est pas le monopole, mais il travaille vraiment beaucoup. Moi, je travaille. Il travaille avec les grands chauffeurs. C'est normal que j'envoie tout ça, c'est pas. Looks like one.
Oh yeah. Start. Calme. Non mais c'est pas grave, on est resté en fait. C'est que moi.
I think I still had one in mind.
No, mine is the empty one.
Yeah, what is this one? I got there on the head.